Every cloud uses its own constructs for segmentation. If you're using AWS, you use security groups to allow access between workloads. Azure uses network security groups, and Google uses firewall rules. These policies are unique for each cloud and do not port over to others. If you have workloads to connect from one cloud to another, there is no policy to enable that. If you are running a private cloud, you're going to have even more segmentation policies, such as through VMware NSX and OpenStack. These policies create a lot of overhead and introduce gaps in security that Calico Enterprise can solve. Calico Enterprise implements a single policy language that works across all clouds, on-prem, and orchestrators. Let's take a look at one of these policies. This is a simple rule that states that workloads running in the DMZ, or internet-facing workloads, cannot talk to workloads running in the restricted zone, where customer data is being processed. Our policy is based on metadata and simple to set up. Here we are denying all traffic originating from the DMZ and bound for the restricted zone. As you can see with our microservice environment, the DMZ zone workload is able to connect to the trusted zone. The trusted zone can connect to the restricted zone, but the DMZ cannot connect to the restricted zone. Most segmentation solutions were originally built for on-premises environments and use a choke point architecture where the policies are pushed down to workloads and evaluated by a central engine. In larger scale environments, it can take 3 to 4 hours for a new workload to receive its policy so that it can connect to other workloads. The challenge is that the cloud was built to dynamically scale your capacity when needed. If you're trying to scale your environment and each workload takes 3 to 4 hours to come online, then you will be experiencing an outage because of your segmentation tool. Calico Enterprise uses a distributed policy architecture that enables new workloads to come online in milliseconds, even for environments with hundreds of thousands of workloads. The Calico Enterprise policy model also supports all clouds, enabling you to deploy to any cloud or infrastructure that you would like without having to rewrite segmentation policies. You can even define policies that control traffic between clouds, as well as between containers and instances. Try it yourself with the free Calico Enterprise trial.